If you're searching for the best Coursera courses for complete beginners, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is choosing a course that's too advanced. The best beginner course is the one that helps you build confidence, not the one with the most complicated curriculum. If you're completely new to online learning, AI for Everyone is one of the best places to start. It explains artificial intelligence in simple terms and shows how AI is being used in business and everyday work without requiring coding or technical knowledge. Another excellent beginner option is the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. It introduces practical marketing skills that are useful whether you want a job, start a business, or work as a freelancer. If you're curious about technology, the Google IT Support Certificate is designed specifically for beginners and helps you understand how computers, networks, and IT systems work. For people interested in data and analytics, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate starts from the basics and gradually introduces data-related skills without assuming prior experience. And if you simply want a skill that can help in almost any career, Project Management Professional Certificate is a great beginner-friendly option because project management principles apply across industries. The reason these courses are popular is that they start from zero. You don't need a technical background, a degree, or years of experience to begin. So if you're searching for beginner Coursera courses, Coursera for beginners, easy Coursera certificates, job-ready courses for beginners, or the best online courses with certificates, here's the simple recommendation. Start with AI for Everyone, digital marketing, IT support, data analytics, or project management, then specialize once you discover what interests you most. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.